Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So I'm gonna show you the progress at the end of day 19th of the construction work legal basement. So today nothing major was done, but still something significant. Today they took off the blue bin that was here, but lot of things have overflown and uh, fallen out. So they will come and pick it up, not sure when, maybe tomorrow as per the contractor. And even in the basement they haven't done anything because yesterday was mudding done late night, so probably today they have left it to dry. But yes, lot of debris and other items they have thrown out. So that was in the blue bin, that has been taken away already, so there's nothing for me to show you. But as you can see, it's absolute mess here on my driveway, so I have to move some of these items so that at least people can walk around. So I'll keep you guys updated. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.